Your testosterone levels are dropping right now. Every minute, every hour, every day, you feel it in the bedroom, you see it in the mirror. And if you're like millions of men, you're silently suffering, avoiding intimate moments, afraid of another disappointment. Low testosterone doesn't just destroy your sex life. It infiltrates every aspect of your manhood, from your ability to build muscle, to your mental sharpness, to your basic drive as a man. Scientific research shows that men with low testosterone are nearly twice as likely to experience erectile dysfunction, with studies showing up to 36% of men with low T are suffering from erectile dysfunction. Men with low testosterone are also 1.7 times more likely to experience depression, while watching their muscle mass gradually convert to stubborn fat. But here's the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Cutting-edge science has uncovered natural methods that can boost testosterone levels by up to 400%. In this comprehensive guide, we'll reveal these powerful strategies that have helped thousands of men reclaim their masculinity, sexual confidence, and peak performance. Whether you're noticing the first signs of decline or already struggling with its devastating effects, these evidence-based approaches will show you exactly how to increase testosterone naturally and effectively. Let's start by understanding what optimal testosterone levels actually mean for your body. When your testosterone levels are where they should be, you experience enhanced muscle growth, rapid fat loss, improved cognitive function, and most importantly, a restored sex drive that makes you feel like you're in your 20s again. The problem is, modern life is actively working against your testosterone production. Environmental factors, processed foods, and sedentary lifestyles have created what scientists are calling a testosterone epidemic among men of all ages. The first powerful way to increase testosterone naturally is through strategic exercise, but not just any type of workout will do. A groundbreaking study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism demonstrated that specific forms of resistance training can boost testosterone levels by up to 40%, both immediately after workouts and over time. The key is focusing on compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses have been shown to trigger the most significant natural testosterone response. But here's what most people get wrong. You need to train with the right intensity and volume to optimize your hormone production. Your body's natural testosterone production is heavily influenced by your daily rhythm, which brings us to our next powerful strategy: morning sunlight exposure. Research published in the journal Hormones and Behavior revealed that morning sun exposure can increase testosterone production by optimizing your body's natural hormone production cycle. The mechanism is fascinating. When sunlight hits your skin, it triggers specialized cells called keratinocytes, which signal your pituitary gland to release hormones that stimulate testosterone production. But timing is crucial. The first hour after waking is your golden window for maximum hormonal impact. But wait for a second. Guys, if you're serious about optimizing your testosterone levels and reaching your peak potential, hit that subscribe button now. Join the Lift Learner community, where science meets results. Don't forget to activate notifications so you never miss our evidence-based strategies for becoming the strongest and best version of yourself. Now let's get back to the good stuff. Shall we talk about nutrition's critical role in natural testosterone optimization? A groundbreaking study from the University of Western Australia found that specific dietary changes could increase testosterone levels by up to 17%. The key is consuming adequate healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats found in foods like olive oil, avocados, and nuts. These fats provide the building blocks your body needs to produce testosterone naturally. But there's more to it. You need to understand the timing of your meals and which foods are actually damaging your testosterone production without you even knowing it. Intermittent fasting has emerged as another powerful tool to boost testosterone. Recent research from the University of Virginia showed that strategic fasting periods can enhance your body's testosterone production significantly. The study found that implementing specific fasting windows triggered hormonal responses that not only increased testosterone levels, but also improved insulin sensitivity, which further supports healthy testosterone production. We'll explore exactly how to implement this strategy without losing muscle mass or experiencing energy crashes. Sleep quality plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal testosterone levels, and this is where most men are sabotaging their hormones without realizing it. Scientific data shows that men who get adequate deep sleep have significantly higher testosterone levels compared to those who don't. The magic number appears to be between 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. One study found that men who slept only 5 hours per night experienced a 15% reduction in their testosterone levels. But it's not just about quantity. We'll discuss specific sleep optimization techniques that can maximize your testosterone production during the night. Here's something interesting about natural testosterone production that most people overlook. Stress management is absolutely crucial. Research published in the journal Psychoneuroendocrinology demonstrated that high cortisol levels, your body's primary stress hormone, can significantly reduce testosterone production. This means that incorporating stress reduction techniques into your daily routine isn't just good for your mental health, it's essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. We'll explore science-backed methods to lower cortisol and boost testosterone simultaneously. The power of competition and achievement in testosterone production cannot be understated. Studies show that achieving goals, whether big or small, can naturally boost testosterone levels. One particular study found that men who succeeded in competitive tasks experienced an average testosterone increase of 4.92%, while those who failed showed a decrease of 7.24%. This shows how important it is to set and achieve regular goals in your life to maintain optimal testosterone levels. We'll discuss how to implement this strategy in your daily routine for maximum hormonal benefit. Let's talk about specific supplements that have been scientifically proven to support natural testosterone production. Tongkat Ali, a traditional herb, has shown remarkable results in clinical trials. One month-long study involving 76 men with low testosterone found that taking 200 milligrams of Tongkat Ali daily helped restore normal testosterone levels in over 90% of participants. The importance of regular movement, particularly walking, in testosterone production is often underestimated. Research has shown that consistent, moderate-intensity walking, especially when combined with slight elevation, can significantly impact testosterone levels. The key is consistency. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking daily, preferably outdoors, to combine the benefits of exercise with natural sunlight exposure. We'll discuss how to optimize your walking routine for maximum hormonal impact. Before we wrap up, let's address the crucial testosterone-destroying habits that might be sabotaging your results. Research has uncovered several major categories of testosterone suppressors in our modern environment. First, let's talk about plastics. BPA and phthalates found in plastic containers and water bottles act as endocrine disruptors. Studies show that BPA exposure can reduce testosterone by up to 23%. Even BPA-free plastics often contain BPS and BPF, which have similar harmful effects. The risk increases significantly when these plastics are heated or exposed to sunlight. To protect your testosterone levels, use glass or stainless steel containers. Never heat food in plastic containers. Avoid plastic water bottles left in hot cars. Check your shower curtain and personal care products for phthalates. Medications are another major concern. Several common prescriptions can significantly impact testosterone production. Statins can lower testosterone by reducing cholesterol, the building block of testosterone. Some antidepressants, particularly SSRIs, can reduce testosterone by up to 30%. Opioid pain medications can suppress testosterone production by up to 50%. Certain blood pressure medications, especially beta blockers, can affect hormone production. Hair loss medications like finasteride can significantly alter hormone levels. Always consult your doctor about alternatives if you're taking these medications. Now let's expose some supposedly healthy foods that might be lowering your testosterone. Soy products contain phytoestrogens that can reduce testosterone production. Processed flaxseed with high lignans content can increase estrogen activity. Mint, especially spearmint and peppermint, can increase prolactin and reduce testosterone. Licorice root can suppress testosterone production by up to 26%. Vegetable oils high in polyunsaturated fats can increase estrogen production. Processed dairy products often contain synthetic hormones that disrupt testosterone. Environmental factors also play a crucial role. Receipt paper contains BPA that can absorb through the skin. Non-organic produce with pesticide residues can act as endocrine disruptors. Personal care products with parabens and phthalates affect hormone balance. Tap water containing trace amounts of pharmaceuticals and pesticides can impact testosterone levels. By being aware of and minimizing exposure to these factors while optimizing the natural testosterone-boosting strategies we discussed earlier, you can maintain healthy hormone levels and experience optimal male vitality. Remember, boosting testosterone naturally is not about quick fixes or magical solutions. It's about implementing sustainable, scientifically proven lifestyle changes that work together to optimize your hormone levels. By following the methods we've discussed, from strategic exercise and proper nutrition to stress management and adequate sleep, you can support your body's natural testosterone production effectively and reclaim your masculine vitality. Your journey to optimal testosterone levels is just the beginning of what's possible. Here at Lift Learner, we're not just sharing information, we're building a community of men dedicated to reaching their absolute peak potential. If this guide resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and join thousands of others who've already transformed their lives through science-based strategies. We believe every man deserves to feel unstoppable, confident, and full of vitality. Got questions about your testosterone optimization journey? Share them below. Your story could inspire others facing similar challenges. Don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share this video with someone who's been held back by low energy or struggling in the gym. Together, we're creating a movement of stronger, more vital women and men. Hit subscribe, activate that notification bell, and let's continue this journey to becoming the strongest version of ourselves. See you in the next video, where we'll unlock even more secrets to peak performance.